All right. So if we have an object falling from a higher place, the distance of it falling, the distance is given by 4.9 t squared, where t is the time it takes to fall in seconds. All right, and we have an object that falls from the building, the First Canadian Place in Toronto, and it falls in 7.7 seconds. Okay, so we are given the t, and we want to find the distance, the height of the building. So we know that the distance, let's call it d, is given by 4.9 t squared. And this t is given here, 7.7 seconds. So that would be 4.9 times 7.7 squared. And if I put that into my calculator, we get, that is 4.9 times 59.29, and we get to 90.521. And if we round it to the nearest hundredth, we get 290.42 meters. And that's it.